Good morning and welcome to this week's vlog. This week we are going to be filming a weekend in the life. Today is Thursday and we're going to be capturing a little bit of just day in the life things today, and then also this weekend we have a couple fun things planned, so I figured I would take y'all along for the ride, let y'all get to see what it looks like to have a typical weekend here living in 38 Florida. So without further ado, I already know it's morning time, it's about 8 o'clock. Where am I going? Definitely to get some coffee. So we're gonna head out to Kith and Kin because where else? And I'm gonna grab me my coffee and then chat with Nikki and Lance for a little bit, and then we're probably gonna head out for a little walk because it is a beautiful day today. I will show y'all. Literally beautiful, clear. Oh well, there's trees so you can't see, but it's literally no cloud in the sky. It looks so beautiful. So we're going to go for a walk, get our steps in. Let's get into this weekend and let's kick off this vlog on the right start. Okay, I am just getting done with my walk and it is now very hot, so I am going back to Kith and Kin to get something refreshing to drink because I need it. Okay, I am officially leaving Kith and Kin and about to go head back to the house. I picked up, Nikki forgive me because I don't even remember exactly what it is. I just asked her to make me something really refreshing that was tea based. And I believe it's a Earl Grey tea with lemonade and honey. And maybe she added some vanilla orange in there too. I'm not really sure, but it has a little lemon slice. It is seriously so refreshing. I've definitely been trying to reach for more of these types of drinks instead of coffee for substance throughout the day, but after that long walk on the beach, it was so hot. This was definitely needed. So now we're heading home and gonna get some work done, and I think the beach is calling my name, so we may change it to our swimsuit and head down for some sun and relaxation for a couple hours. Also, somehow I completely just forgot the fact that this is Memorial Day weekend, which is going to be kind of a crazy weekend. So I'm going to make this vlog a Memorial Day weekend vlog too, because I completely forgot about the holiday. But yeah, just got home, probably about to sit down, help my husband do some work really quick for real estate. And hopefully in a couple hours, maybe sooner than that, I'll get to sneak away for some beach time because it is just so pretty today. So pretty. Come on, inside. Duna, are you gonna come inside? She said no. She said it feels too good out here, Mom. Okay, suit yourself. But then she gets major FOMO and she's liable to come beg to get inside because we're not out there with her. Good morning, vlog. It is now Friday. I'm so sorry because I did not vlog anything yesterday afternoon or last night. But to be fair, it was a pretty boring afternoon. It wasn't like you were missing anything too exciting. I actually had a Zoom call that I had to jump on last night around like 6, and I just ordered some pizza for takeout for dinner. My husband, he had to leave and go lead his small group. He leads a men's small group on Thursday nights. And so I was just home by myself and I did my Zoom call, and then after that I just watched some Netflix. So it honestly wasn't too exciting. But today I am on the way now to work. Also, I'm so sorry, my seatbelt buckle. You know what? Let me fix that. Okay, now that my seatbelt is buckled and it's done beeping, I'm on the way now to work. I have a pretty full day of clients today, which I'm really happy about. If for those of you who don't know, I'm an esthetician and I have my own solo studio business. I'm in Destin where I take clients. I do facials, plant-based protocols that are really, really good. I love to do facial massage. I also offer hydrofacial, dermaplaning, all the good things. So if you are ever in the area and you want to book a facial, you should definitely book with me, and I'll drop my little Instagram right here for you so you can follow. But I have 4 appointments today, which is pretty much a fully booked day. I think I only have like an hour and a half gap around lunch, which thank goodness, because that means I'm gonna get to leave and go grab some lunch. So I'm probably going to do that, and I'll check back in with y'all once I'm at work and when I'm setting up for my day. Happy Friday! It's Memorial Day weekend. It's a beautiful day. God is good. Let's get into this weekend. Okay, it is 1 o'clock and I am grubbing down on some lunch because I am starving. I have already done 2 clients today. I have 2 more. So my next one's at 2 o'clock. It's now 1:18. So I'm gonna finish eating and then I'm gonna go do my 2 o'clock appointment. And then my last appointment of the day is at 3:30. And then we'll be heading home. We're going out to eat with some friends tonight for dinner. So yeah. So far, good day. Okay, it is 4:56 and we are officially leaving work on the way home. I'm gonna have to like quickly change into some non-aesthetic apparel, preferably not scrubs, and hurry up and get ready so we can leave because I think Tyler said we're supposed to be meeting our friends at 6. There goes the seatbelt buckle bell again. Anyways, I will catch up with y'all when I get to the house and when I get ready and when we're heading out for dinner tonight. Okay, now we are headed to dinner with our friends. I ran in and quickly changed. And now we're headed to Amigos, which is in Inlet Beach. It's my personal favorite Mexican restaurant. And we will catch you there. Good morning and happy Saturday. I am on the way to our Holy Girl Walk for Soul Sisters this morning. We're hosting a Holy Girl Walk where we meet up at a local coffee shop and have Bible study and then go for a little walk. Plan on going to the beach afterwards because it is a beautiful day. It's a steeping 83 degrees right now. And it's only 10 o'clock. So I imagine it's only gonna get hotter, but that's okay. I probably am gonna be in the water most of the day. So I'm going to leave the Holy Girl Walk and head out to the beach to enjoy some sunshine and some relaxation. I brought some good books with me, so I'm excited about that. It's probably gonna be absolutely crazy though because it's Memorial Day weekend, so I imagine the beaches are gonna be wild. However, I do know all the local spots, so there's a couple beach accesses that I think if I can time it right, I probably will find a really good spot that's not super crowded. So we'll see, but see y'all in a little bit. Okay, I am now leaving. We just wrapped up at the Holy Girl Walk and Bible study, but we didn't walk. We just sat around and read the Bible and just talked for a while because it was so hot. Honestly, if we would have went on a walk, I probably would have just fell over and died. It's literally like 90 degrees now, and I am on the way to the beach. I do not know what this FedEx driver is doing. Anyways, I'm on the way now to the beach, and hopefully I can find some parking and find a spot, but I'm immediately dunking because it's so hot. I'm like drenched in sweat right now, so stay tuned. Well, I don't know if you can hear me due to the wind, but it is the most absolute stunning day. I did find a spot where I am all by myself. It's the way I like it. The water is absolutely stunning today. I'm just sitting here and just feeling so grateful that this is where I get to live. This is my home. Like, are you kidding me? God's just so good. And just thinking back on our morning this morning at the Holy Girl Walk in our Bible study, like, we were talking about giving thanks and how we tend to always forget to give thanks throughout the day because we honestly get so used to the blessings that the Lord gives us every day that we don't even think to give thanks for them because they're normal. They're constant. And it just kind of convicted me because I'm like, man, there's so many things that I encounter that happen every day, things that I should be so much more grateful for and should express my gratitude to God for that I don't. And just sitting here on the beach without a soul in 50 feet of me, looking at the most gorgeous waters on earth and realizing the fact that on a Saturday afternoon, I can come and sit here and immerse myself in so much beauty, but in His presence at the same time. Like, I feel like honestly, the best way to get in God's presence is get in His creation. Like, truly. There's something so beautiful about feeling God's presence when you're in His creation. Yeah, I'm just feeling really grateful today. It's the perfect day. Happy Memorial Day weekend. parents are actually coming to Destiny with us today to go to church with us, and then I'm actually hitching a ride back to Jackson County, where I'm from, with my mom to surprise my nieces with a sleepover. My oldest sister lives at the lake, and she has a little lake house, and each Memorial Day each year they do like a little Memorial Day, Lake Day, and grill out. So unfortunately, Tyler has to work. He has realtor responsibilities. But I'm gonna go have a little surprise sleepover with my nieces and spend the day with them on Monday, tomorrow for Memorial Day on the lake. And yeah, so I will show y'all a little bit of some clips when we get to church. And then I also will take y'all along for the surprise sleepover and all the Memorial Day fun activities. It is 6 o'clock and we are back home with my family, and we're actually on the way now to my sister Heather's house, and we're gonna meet up with my two other nieces. We have Journey back here. Say hey, Journey. And we're gonna meet up with them and hang out. So Journey, are you excited to spend the night with Emma and Ellie? Mm-hmm. You wanna know a secret? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be spending the night with y'all. Yay! We're gonna have a slumber party together. Are you excited? So we're gonna go home to my other sister's house, and then we're gonna let Emma and Ellie in on the secret, so they don't know yet, but we're gonna let them know that I'm also gonna be spending the night. I'm sure they're gonna be super excited. So we have a whole night of fun planned. Who knows what we're gonna get into, but regardless, we're gonna have a good time. And then tomorrow we have Memorial Day, so we're gonna be swimming in the lake, on the boat, on the jet ski, all the fun things all day tomorrow. So we're really excited. Are you excited? Y'all had a fun afternoon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I know that y'all are having a sleepover tonight, aren't you?
Yeah.
You want to know a secret?
Yeah.
Aunt Haley's having a sleepover with y'all.
Yay!
So y'all are excited I'm gonna stay the night with y'all?
Yeah.
Well, we have a whole night full of fun, so I'm really excited.
And tomorrow.
Oh, Ellie just jumped off.
Memorial Day. Don't forget about me.
All right, go jump. Hello vlog, just checking in. It is almost 9:30 and me and Emma here just made dinner. We're about to sit down and eat it, just chillax, maybe put on a movie later.
What's the time?
Oh, totally not my father. That is totally not my father. Oh, yummy, yummy.
And then we have some toast bacon up in there.
The girls are upstairs and they are playing the video game. Where's she staying the night?
I am. You excited?
I'm very excited.
We're
We're
gonna-
gonna watch a new movie.
We can have fun.
We're gonna have fun. Yeah.
Good morning, vlog, and happy Monday. Happy Memorial Day. I'm here with my two little nieces. We woke up this morning to come down to the dock to have a little Bible study. I absolutely love getting to spend moments and mornings like this with them. It means so much, but I want them to tell y'all what we got out of this morning's Bible study. We read Galatians 5 this morning. All right, Emma, let's hear you first. What did you get out of this morning?
Today we read about the fruit of the Spirit, and I got a couple good verses. Can I share them?
Yep, go ahead, girl.
We want them to, well, this isn't a verse, but this is what she said. We want them to see us following Jesus. He took the key and unlocked the cage for us, and prayed to, You, my brothers and sisters, were called to be free, but do not use your freedom to indulge the flesh. Rather, serve one another humbly in love. Galatians 5:13.
That's really good.
And the fruit of the Spirit, I wrote down for this. I'm going to study this every day. Give me patience. Help me have kindness. Bring peace, love, and joy. Be goodness to me. Help me have faithfulness. Give me self-control. And bring me gentleness.
That's so good. That's awesome. Journey, what did you get out of this morning?
So, when we were talking about loving, like, neighbors like yourself, I got, like, so we had to love others more than ourselves, and be kind and grateful with what you have.
That's so good. I'm so proud of y'all. It was a good morning, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now, look at that lake. I think it's calling our name.
It is calling your name.
We should maybe go grab some breakfast with Mama and Daddy and sister,
Yeah.
and then get our swimsuits on and come enjoy Memorial Day. Sound good?
Sounds great. Bye, Bo.
am officially back home in Santa Rosa Beach. It is 8:50 and I'm about to take a much needed shower. I don't even know how to explain the feeling of getting home after being in the lake all day. You just feel absolutely gross. So I'm about to go get a shower. This is also where I am closing out this vlog. So thank you so much for tuning along to this weekend's Memorial Day weekend vlog and following along for a couple of days in my life. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe and follow along for more future vlogs to come. You can also follow me on social media at Haley Ballard, and I hope to connect with you there as well. Oh, it was a wonderful Memorial Day, so much fun. I was so happy to get to spend so much time with my family. I'm very glad to be back home in my own bed tonight and get to start a new week off on the right foot. So good night, guys.